Read the following statements. During unfavorable conditions, slime molds form an aggregation called plasmodium. This is correct. Marine amoeboid protozoans have cellulosic shells on their surface. No. Marine amoeboid protozoans have silica shells. They have silica shells on their surface. So this is incorrect. Only A is incorrect? No. Only B is incorrect? Yes. So answer to this question is option number 2. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 102. Question number 102 says, fill in the blanks and choose the correct option. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में what you have to do, first of all you have to check for the first statement. एक statement को आपने check किया, you know the answer, then you have to identify the option which is correct, and you have to eliminate or you have to rule out the other options. Okay, see, statement A, dash takes into account evolutionary relationship between organisms along with classification. We know that systematics takes into account evolutionary relationships between organisms along with classification. So by this, systematics is correct, taxonomy is ruled out, as taxonomy plus evolutionary relationships, they are together called as systematics. So this is ruled out. Classification is the characterizing of organism on the basis of observable characters. So this is incorrect. So by this, option 1, 3 and 4th are ruled out. So we are left with option number 2, the 2 correct option hai. Now we'll check for the other correct fill-ups also. Second, dash the category. Dash is the difficulty of determining the relationship to other taxa at the same level. Higher the category, greater is the difficulty in determining the relationship to other taxa at the same level. As we know that specificity decreases as we go higher from species to kingdom. तो जैसे जैसे आप हायर कैटेगरी की तरफ जाओगे, देयर विल बी मोर डिफिकल्ट टू डिटरमाइन द रिलेशनशिप टू अदर टैक्सा एट दैट लेवल. ओके, अब किंगडम में बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनिजम्स होंगे, स्पेसिफिसिटी कम होगी, सो इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू डिटरमाइन द रिलेशनशिप टू अदर टैक्सा एट दैट लेवल. ओके, सो higher the category, greater is the difficulty of determining the relationship to other taxa at the same level. Dash often have collections of animal skeletons. We know that. We have seen this in the schools. Museum. Museum is a taxonomical aid which often have collections of animal skeletons. So by this, answer to this question is option number 2. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 103. Read the given statement. Rice is a monocot and all monocots are plants. Now, इस statement के अंदर rice, monocot and plants are. Rice is a particular species. Monocot, it is a class, Monocotyledonnae. And plant, it is a kingdom, Plantae. So species, class and kingdom are different taxa at different level. So by this, answer to this question is option number 4. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 104. The parasitic fungi on mustard is. This is given in the NCERT that the parasitic fungi on mustard is Albugo. Albugo is a member of class Omycetes which is responsible for causing white rust of crucifers. It is caused by Albugo candida. Okay. So answer to this question is option number 3. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 105. Match the columns and choose the correct option. In this question, you have to match the column 1 with column 2 and then you have to identify the correct option. Bread mold. Rhizopus is the bread mold. Puccinia is the rust fungi. Astilago is known as the smut fungi. And Agaricus is a mushroom. So by analyzing all the options, we come to know that option number 2 is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 106.